guys, so we're starting off the morning with beautiful sun, and Andrew's still asleep.
So, oh my god, it just looks, hold on, I'm going to turn the camera on. It just looks bigger. Maybe it's because I put the camera on. I don't know. So, we're watching TV. We're watching Gilmore Girls. Yay! And it's raining outside. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. You guys can't see. It looks sunny outside, you guys. But trust me, it's raining outside. It's mowing upstairs to do what? I do not know. And yes, in case you guys are wondering, I am playing Pokemon Black Version 2. But in 13 days, counting, well, 12 not counting today.
Careful though, that kind of power can go to your head.
That explains a lot.
Yeah, no, it's 13 counting today. Pokemon X and Y come out. So yeah. Exciting. Alright, so we're gonna go get the mail. We're gonna watch Simone open the garage door.
Shut up! I swear to God I can do it!
Well, no, wait, don't do it yet, because the door's still open.
I can do it!
So, the garage door broke, so we have to lift it like this. All the way, all the way.
That is all the way! Yeah!
High five the camera.
Ew, my hands are gross.
Oh look,
I did
it's so sunny.
That is not sunny.
It's sunny.
I did it. I told you I could do it.
You did tell me you could do it. Was it hard?
No.
Was it heavy?
No, it's actually.
You realized that the wheels probably did most of the work.
Do you hear how much of a jerk he is sometimes?
I'm just saying.
The wheels did most of the work. But if it was him who lifted the garage, it would have been, I'm a man.
Well, I mean, it's still on wheels. I mean, yes, you have to lift it, but after a certain point, it's kind of just, after a certain point of lifting, it's kind of just like, I can do whatever because it just lifts itself. Here, hold this for a second.
I can't. You have this.
Hold the whole thing. I want to go back to Best Buy and get a new one. You should tell them about it.
Yeah, because that would suck.
You should tell them.
We had to pay $15. His camera.
No. Tell them what they said first.
Well, he said that they could fix it and that they replace it with a brand new one that was originally $128, but it was on sale for $89. So we went and got the new camera, and I was really mad because he got the brand new camera just for seeing a spot in his, what do you call it, off the shelf.
The shelf.
One. Nothing. Looks like your theory is wrong.
Trying to get the.
Don't use the key. Oh my god. And then he I forgot.
And then,
Then he went there and then they said, oh yeah, we're gonna charge you. And I was like, really? How much are they gonna charge you? And then he's just like, shh, we'll just see. Maybe they won't charge us. I'm like, yeah, that's likely. So then they charged us $10. And then they changed it and they said we had to pay $15. So we had to run back into Target and go get some cash. And then get the $15 to get his new camera here. Andrew, you can't just wait down there.
no, walk around the neighborhood.
Well, here's your camera. Film this cute kitty. Hi, kitty.
Go touch the kitty.
Dude, he doesn't seem to like me.
I don't think that cat wants to be on film. We're walking. Mail just got here. Makes me look really, really weird.
Who's weird?
I said, we're walking. The mail just got here. We're walking, and it makes me look really weird.
Vlogging?
Yeah. Okay, so you can look, it's pulling.
Holy crap. Look at my dad's room.
It's pulling outside. I don't know, I think it won't back out.
Oh my god. Look at water pouring. Yeah, he's home. His keys are right here.
Welcome to the rainy time in Oregon.
Oh my god.
Hey, you want to go take a shower?
Yeah.
Let's go. No, come on. We'll go right down the backyard. Nobody's got to know.
No.
Okay. Hello.
We could technically get around.
Okay. Hello. So, here's Simone.
Hi.
We're in Noble Woods. It's very woody, as you see. And, we can't really go any farther because, yeah.
I feel like there's gonna be an alligator in there that's just gonna pop its mouth.
There's no alligators in Hawaii.
You don't know that?
Yeah, the
What's that
river.
thing?
The river, that's a stick.
You don't know
the
that.
river, here, I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Okay, you see that tree right there? Okay, the river is around by that tree. That tree right there. It's around the corner from that a little ways up. And we can't get there because, as you see, it's flooded due to the, what, 4 or 5 days it's been raining. And we have it all the way up here.
Well,
We could get to the other side, but we get down to a bridge and we're right back to where we are now.
No, I mean we could go by the Albertsons and then go down.
Yeah, no, but that's gonna take forever.
But it's just supposed to be a romantic walk.
That's just gonna take forever. And if it starts to rain, I don't have a jacket and I don't have
Even though
I don't
his
have a
fiance
nifty
told
camera.
him.
I don't have a nifty camera case. I want to find like a rock or something. Here, hold this for a second. I just want to see how deep the water is.
Please note that I did tell him to bring a jacket, and he decided, no, I'll be fine. Don't worry about it. A stick? A stick is just gonna float.
No. Okay, you know where the bridge is right there, right?
Yeah.
It's like literally right by that tree,
Yeah.
right? Like, I just have to cross a little bit, like maybe from like, okay, from like that tree to maybe that like.
You're not gonna
dirt
cross
pile right
this.
there. Well, no, I'm saying that's how far I'd have to cross, like from that tree to that dirt pile right there. That's how far I'd have
People
to
are
cross
coming, just so you know.
to go. But
So if you're gonna throw something.
I just want to see like how deep it is. As far as, like, deep. Oh wow, okay.
It's not that deep.
It's like 4 inches of deep.
It's not that deep. Now, if you're walking through it, you can probably.
Okay, wow, that just.
Way to get the camera wet. God.
I did not get a good enough grip on that.
So apparently we're going to walk somewhere else. Say hi, Jack. Hey you guys, okay, so today is the 98th day. Today 98? I think it is. Andrew's emailing right now because he likes to do that. Anyways, it's kind of a nicer day than before, at least it was this morning. And now look at it. Yep. Crappy bad day again. I can never get this stupid thing to stay. Haha. Winter. So it's raining again. And it's like 11 something. So me and Andrew are basically just sitting, making lunch, and we're going to watch a movie together. You guys see that? My little plant thing is flooded. That's awful. So it's really raining out here. I'm gonna go back in the house now. Because it's freezing. And it is, what's today, Andrew? Monday? Yeah. Today is Monday. To me, it feels like Friday. I don't know why, but it's Monday. And me and Andrew are just hanging out. Right, baby? And he's going to play Pokemon, and I'm making ramen noodles. I love Top Ramen, instant lunch. I love this one too. I like the chicken one the best. What is your favorite? Hi, Jack.
Good night.
Can you purr for us?
I am.
We have heard reports that Miss Colucci received this flyer late Tuesday afternoon when she returned home from work.
He's purring because he's sitting on Mama's lap. So cute.
Hi guys. So it is 7:48. 7:48. And How I Met Your Mother is on, or will be on. So that's what me and Simone are going to be watching. And then we're going to come up here and we're going to watch some Netflix. And then I'm going to go to bed because I got work early in the morning. Another 6 to 1 day for me. So, yay! Alright, so, love you guys. And I'll see you tomorrow.